Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up direct deposit on Coinbase. To begin, you would typically locate your unique direct deposit information within the Coinbase app or website. This includes your specific account and routing numbers, which are necessary for your employer's payroll system. Having these details ready is the first step in the process. To find your direct deposit details, you would open the Coinbase app and navigate to the direct deposit section. Here, your personalized routing and account numbers would be displayed. These numbers are unique to your Coinbase account and are what an employer would use to send your funds. You could easily copy these numbers for use. Once you have your Coinbase direct deposit information, you would provide it to your employer's payroll department. They might ask you to complete a direct deposit form, which typically requires your bank name, routing number, and account number. You would clearly indicate Coinbase as the recipient and specify the desired portion of your paycheck. After submitting your information, you would confirm with your employer that the direct deposit has been successfully initiated. It could take 1 or 2 pay cycles for the changes to become active. You would then monitor your Coinbase account for the arrival of your funds. You would also have the flexibility to modify or cancel your direct deposit through your employer's payroll system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.